Hello, my name is Shazrina Shazwin.
Greetings, my name is Shrina Alisha Singhal.
Hello everyone, my name is Isha Narissa Cordio.
Dear honorable judges, fellow participants, and viewers, we are Team beachup from SMK Aminuddin Baki. I'm the team leader Li Jiaxuan.
Now we will start with the problem statement. Coastal lines around the world are experiencing a marked rise in pollution due to beach and marine littering. Ingestion of litter items such as plastic bags, convenience food packaging, plastic resin pellets, etc. by marine life results in high toxic levels, which then endanger human beings upon consumption.
Statistics have shown that plastic waste on beaches have increased by at least 140% since 1994, and that marine pollution will have further consequences on the environment in the future. Several commonly found waste items on beaches include plastic bags, glass bottles, cans, cigarette butts, and more. 100 million marine animals die each year from plastic waste alone. 100,000 marine animals die from getting entangled in it. All of this pollution continuously degrades and destroys the mesmerizing beach habitats that animals and plants require to survive, and 80% of pollution in our ocean comes from land-based sources. What does that say about the human race? The current solutions on the market include a manual sand cleaning tool as well as a sand sieve. These solutions have its advantages, such as being able to filter out small pieces of plastic from the trash, but there are certain disadvantages to them, such as requiring manpower, costly pricing, bulkiness, and also having to take up a lot of time to use.
So, now you might be wondering, what's our solution? Well, our solution is beachup, an automated machine that filters trash from sand, or an automated beach cleanup machine. beachup cleans the beach using a GPS system in its head. I will give you a brief explanation of beachup's materials. First, the water sensors that ensure that beachup doesn't get too close to the waves. Second, the ultrasonic sensors that detect when beachup is full. Third, the rubbish bin. Fourth, the excavator tires that are placed under the rubbish bin to ease movement on rough, bumpy, and uneven surfaces. Fifth, a solar panel that provides renewable energy that is environmentally friendly and used to power beachup. Sixth, the excavator bucket that loads sand into beachup through a hole at the top. 7. The wire gauze. Trash goes into the wire gauze, and then the machine vibrates. Only filtered sand is dropped and returned to the beach through the back hole when the machine vibrates. Once beachup is full, the trash is emptied into a rubbish bag at the docking station to be collected by a worker. Moving on to the prototype or 3D model of beachup. Like I mentioned, the material used in our machine are a rubbish bin, excavator tires, an excavator bucket, a solar panel, wire gauze, an Arduino board, as well as ultrasonic and water sensors. The rubbish bin acts as a foundation for the entire structure to shield the inner components of the machine. The excavator tires, which replicate tires from a crawler excavator, are placed under the rubbish bin, allowing beachup to move on rough, bumpy, and uneven surfaces with ease. The Arduino board acts as the main controller that manages beachup as a whole in every aspect. The water sensors will signal the machine when there is water too close to it so that it can avoid the water. The excavator bucket, which is attached to the front of the rubbish bin, will scoop up any piece of trash detected by the AI or artificial intelligence technology incorporated into the machine. The machine, together with the AI technology, will be programmed to detect any piece of trash lying on the sand, like a plastic water bottle, which will then send a signal to the machine to pick it up with the excavator bucket to be thrown into the bin from the top through the hole. As for the solar panel, it will be used to power beachup to allow it to function using renewable energy. The wire gauze will function to hold the rubbish thrown into the bin and filter out pieces of trash from the sand that will be scooped out by the excavator bucket during the process. For the trash to be dumped into the rubbish bag prepared, one side of the wire gauze will detach from the wall of the machine to allow the trash to go out through the back hole and into the rubbish bag. The sand will go through the filter and out through the back hole too while the rubbish is being collected. Lastly, the ultrasonic sensors will detect when the rubbish bin is filled to its full capacity and will signal the machine to move to a docking station where a rubbish bag will be placed for the rubbish to be disposed of. A worker then ties and throws away the rubbish bag at the end of the day.
Next, I'll be telling you the impacts of our machine, beachup, towards the environment, towards our country, and towards the world. Firstly, the cleanliness of the beach is maintained when it uses beachup. Secondly, aquatic lives and marine lives could live safely in the ocean with the existence of our automatic machine. Thirdly, beachup also helps us to reduce plastic contamination in the ocean that simultaneously ensures the safety of seafood for human consumption. To be specific, after using our machine, the plastic contamination at the beach is reduced, while the plastic contamination in the ocean would also decrease, which causes the chances of them getting to eat the plastics is very low. This results in edible and healthy seafood to be consumed by humans. Lastly, beachup can prevent food chain disruption to make sure that the ecosystem is always well maintained and in a balanced condition.
Yes, I would definitely recommend this product to everyone that I know who is taking care of the environment or want to do something.
However, there are a few innovation enhancements that could be added to refine our machine. In our opinion, it's even better to have a more efficient rubbish extracting system and recycling features in beachup. For future development, we suggest that our machine could be enhanced by installing retractable bins in the machine itself and also AI technology specifically to sort and classify between recycling materials and non-recycling materials. When the brim of the rubbish bin is full, the AI technology will start to classify recycling materials and non-recycling materials. It will then send an order to a certain part in the machine to dump the trash into their respective bins to be collected by the workers at the end of the day.
That is all from us.
Thank you for listening.
We appreciate you taking the time to assess our project.
Thank you so much for watching our video. See you!